you will learn articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Let us learn the types of articles. First is indefinite articles a and an. We use a before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Example, a dog, a pen, a university. Here you must be wondering why university isn't an, because here university starts with U sound, that is Y. So it is a university. We use an before singular nouns that begins with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an orange, an honest man. Here, honest man is an because H is silent and honest O sound comes, so it is an honest man. Here are some exceptions. It's about sound, not spellings. So, a European country because it sounds like European. Why? So, it is a, not an. Next is an MBA student because it starts with the sound M, EM. So, an MBA. Next is definite article the. We use the to talk about something specific or unique. Example, I saw a boy in the park. The boy was playing cricket. So, in the first sentence, I'm talking about the specific park, so the park. And in the second sentence, we are talking about the same boy, the specific boy. So, the boy was playing cricket. Exception, we don't usually use the before general ideas. I love music, not the music, unless we talk about some specific music. Zero article, that means no article. We don't use any article before plural nouns or uncountable nouns when we talk generally. Here are some rules of zero article. First is plural and uncountable noun. Like uncountable noun can be water, and, boys, girls for plural. Before names of languages and subjects like English, Hindi, Marathi, and many more. Before meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Before names of places like continent, countries, cities, streets, lakes, and mountains. Before names of institutions when we used for primary purpose like any name of a college or school. Before means of transport and communication, like we don't say by the bus or by the train. I'll say I travel by bus, like that. Before proper nouns, so any name of a person, month, days, festival, before that you don't put any article. Any article means a, an, or the, anything. Quick recap: use a before consonant sound, use an before vowel sounds, use the for specific or unique things. No article for general statements. Remember them. If you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.